In a quiet village, a couple lives a simple life in a small hut. One fresh morning, they step into their garden, surrounded by greenery. They carefully pick fresh vegetables, drumsticks, tomatoes, potatoes, carrots, green chilies, and onions. With a smile, they decide to turn their homegrown harvest into a special vegetable curry, ready to share a peaceful and satisfying meal together. After washing the vegetables thoroughly with fresh water, the husband and wife sit together and begin preparing the ingredients for cooking. Side by side, they carefully chop each vegetable, turning their simple harvest into a ready set of ingredients for cooking. Now, the wife places a pot on the clay stove and adds the right amount of oil. Then she puts in the spices and adds the vegetables, cooking them into a flavorful vegetable curry. At this moment, the husband returns to their vegetable garden and carefully picks a few fresh cucumbers. With these, he plans to make a light and refreshing salad to go with their meal. Now, the husband collects a few coconuts from their tree. He cracks them open and finely grates the coconut, preparing it to make traditional coconut rice cakes. With all the cooking complete, the husband and wife sit together and enjoy their meal in a peaceful moment. Afterward, they take the remaining food and share it with young school children. The children receive it with bright smiles, filling the moment with joy and warmth.